Hello, I am Dr. Moira Marval, and I am an assistant professor in the Department of Strategy and Entrepreneurship at Neoma Business School. My research investigates different structures that provide support to startups in their entrepreneurial journey. In particular, I have studied how multinational corporations, through their accelerator programs, interact with startups to build collaborative relationships and develop joint innovations. My latest research, published this year in the Journal of Small Business Economics, focuses on the role of corporate accelerators sponsored by large telecommunication firms and their role in entrepreneurial ecosystems. I found that these accelerators actually act as global bridges, connecting ecosystems even across continents. My research shows that corporate accelerators leverage their multinational infrastructure and market knowledge in order to establish on purpose these connections, and therefore through their exchange programs, international events, deploying people to capture and disseminate best practices. In this way, they play an important role in supporting startups' internationalization process and disseminating knowledge in entrepreneurial support across different entrepreneurial ecosystems. This research thus challenges the conventional academic views that often portray entrepreneurial ecosystems as isolated local networks, often ignoring these important interconnections. My research enriches my teaching at Neoma as well, because in my entrepreneurial courses, I help students understand that entrepreneurial success is not only the result of individual efforts, but often comes from collective collaboration between different actors in these entrepreneurial ecosystems, including investors, mentors, accelerators, governments and universities, and of course, corporations, as we learned. And they provide this crucial advice, financing, and all sorts of resources that can help entrepreneurs succeed. In class, I elaborate on these different types of investors, for example, business angels, venture capitalists, also different types of support structures that can be incubators, accelerators, corporate accelerators, so that the students understand how these actors work and when it's a timely moment to reach to them. In particular, my latest findings show how entrepreneurs can strategically leverage corporate accelerators when seeking international expansion, thus providing the students with practical insights into the interconnected nature of today's entrepreneurial landscape.